The respected principal, Dr. Shivakumaraya, is requested to deliver the welcome speech.
Good morning to all of you. Pranams to His Holiness Dr. Shri Shri Shivakumar Swamiji, Chief Guest of this graduation ceremony, respected Shri A.S. Kiran Kumar Ji, respected Dr. K. Siddhappa, Chairman Governing Council of SIT and President of this ceremony, dignitaries on and off the dais, graduating students and their respected parents, invitees and friends from media. Today we have assembled here for the celebration of 6th graduation ceremony. Our institute, SIT, is an autonomous institute affiliated to Vishveshwaraya Technological University, Belgaum, and approved by AICTE and UGC, New Delhi. Under the autonomous system, our students are not allowed to compete at the university level and are deprived of securing gold medals and awards. Hence, we have to honor our students by conferring medals and awards for their excellent performance, and hence this graduation ceremony. Today, topper of each course will be given SIT Gold Medal instituted by the institute. In addition to that, there are gold medals and cash awards instituted by teachers, alumni and philanthropists. Topper among all the BE programs, that is topper of the institute, will be given Dr. Shri Shri Shivakumar Swamiji Medal. Dr. Shri Shri Shivakumar Swamiji, our revered president, is a busy personality and has shouldered the responsibility of providing free food, shelter and education to about 10,000 poor students of all faiths and communities in the Siddhaganga Gurukula. Although Sri Siddhaganga Gurukula is called as Veerashaiva Lingayat Gurukula, only about 2,500 students belong to this caste and the rest belong to all castes. In the Gurukula, all the students pray together, dine together and live together, and the Gurukula is a secular institution in its true meaning. Shri Shri Swamiji works 18 hours a day even at the age of 108 years. Swamiji's daily itinerary starts from 2:30 a.m. with reading, meditation and puja. Shri Swamiji looks after the affairs of more than 125 educational institutions. Also, Swamiji receives thousands of pilgrims and devotees every day. After attending to this course of works as mentioned above, Shri Shri Swamiji retires for the day at 10:30 p.m. Despite busy schedule, Shri Shri Swamiji has kindly agreed to grace this ceremony and bless all of us today. On behalf of all of us, I extend the most reverential welcome to His Holiness Dr. Shri Shri Shivakumar Swamiji. When we extended invitation to respected Shri A.S. Kiran Kumar, Chairman, Space Commission and Secretary to Government of India, Department of Space and Chairman, Indian Space Research Organization, to be the chief guest for the 6th graduation ceremony and to deliver the graduation ceremonial address, Shri Kiran Kumar Ji has readily agreed to be the chief guest. Sir, I thank you profusely for having accepted our invitation. Sir, it is a great honor and a rare privilege to have you in our midst, and I extend a very hearty welcome to you, sir. It gives me immense pleasure in extending a warm welcome to respected Dr. K. Siddhappa, former Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University and Chairman of our Governing Council, who has agreed to preside over this graduation ceremony. Respected Shri T.K. Nanjundappa, Secretary Shri Siddhaganga Education Society, has made it convenient to be with us for this ceremony. Sir, I extend a very cordial welcome to you. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a very hearty welcome to Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, our respected Director, who will be administering the oath to the graduating students. It gives me great pleasure in extending a very hearty welcome to our Controller of Examination and Deans. I wish to place on record the valuable guidance being offered by our distinguished Governing Council and Academic Council members in running the Institute and for enhancing the academic standards in our Institute. It is my special privilege to extend a very hearty welcome to all of them. It gives me immense pleasure in extending a very warm welcome to the members of Sri Siddhaganga Education Society and members of Board of Management of Sri Siddhaganga Education Society and invitees. Many of our faculty members, alumni and philanthropists have instituted gold medals to toppers of courses or subjects and have responded to our invitation. I acknowledge their kind gesture with a sense of gratitude and I extend them a very warm welcome. Graduation Day is a festive and joyful occasion for the graduating students and their parents. This special occasion celebrates reaching of a milestone in the form of recognition of a honor and degree by our young friends, which they will cherish as they march on in their lives. So it is befitting that we are commemorating the road that we have all traveled together these last few years. Dear graduating students, today is a special moment in your lives and we applaud your achievements. I congratulate all the graduating students who will be receiving the gold medals, cash awards and provisional degree certificates in a short while from now. We congratulate your parents as well as faculty and staff, all of whom have made your success possible. It is indeed a great privilege for me to extend a very hearty welcome to all the graduating students and their respected parents who are present here. I wish all the graduating students the very best in their future endeavors. I invite all of you to join our proud and accomplished family of 32,000 SIT alumni. Whenever we send invitations for press meet, our friends from electronic and print media attend the meet with full quorum and give a wide coverage about our institute and our accomplishments. I acknowledge this kind gesture of our friends from electronic and print media with a sense of gratitude. I extend a very hearty welcome to all our friends present here. I extend a very cordial welcome to all my esteemed colleagues and invitees present here. Before I conclude my welcome address, I would like to give a very brief account of our institute. Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur, popularly known as SIT, established in the year 1963, is one among 125 institutions run by benign management, Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, headed by Padma Bhushana, Karnataka Ratna, His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumara Swamiji, a centenarian. At the time of inception, the institute was offering only 3 branches, namely civil, electrical and mechanical engineering, with a total intake of 120 students. Now this institute is offering 12 UG and 16 PG programs. 16 departments of the institute are recognized as research centers by VTU, and 160 research scholars are pursuing the research leading to PhD degree at these research centers. SIT has completed 50 years of glorious existence and illustrious service in the field of technical education and management. The Golden Jubilee celebrations of the Institute were inaugurated by respected Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in the divine presence of His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumar Swamiji on 18/9/2013. The Institute has excellent infrastructural facilities and has 341 qualified, experienced and devoted faculty, out of which 90 members have PhD degree from reputed institutions like IISc Bangalore, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Guwahati and others. Another 70 of our faculty members are pursuing PhD program at various reputed institutions. Our faculty members have considered research as an integral part of teaching and are actively working on sponsored research projects with a total funding of 5 crore. Their excellent research work has resulted in good publications in conferences and high impact factor Scopus and Web of Science refereed journals. Further, I am happy to report that the good research work carried out by the faculty and quality projects carried out by the students has enabled the institution to file 51 patents so far. SIT is closely interacting with industries like ABB GISL and R&D organizations like GTRE, CAPS, CARE, CPRE and others. SIT is a part of consortium of 7 engineering colleges for designing and fabricating a PICO satellite which is scheduled to be launched shortly. Nearly 50 of our students are working for this project. SIT is also the beneficiary of the World Bank Assisted Technical Education Quality Improvement Program Phase 1. Under Phase 1, the institute received 9.35 crore to establish new laboratories, faculty and staff development, and strengthening PG programs. SIT is one among the 7 self-financing institutes in the state of Karnataka and one of the 14 self-financing institutes across the country selected for the award of grant of 4 crore under TAKI Phase 2. This grant is meant for scaling up PG programs, promoting R&D activities, faculty development, and enhancing industry-institute interaction. SIT is one among the 4 self-financing institutions across the country selected by the Ministry of Human Resource and Development under TAKIP for establishing a Center of Excellence in Applied Research and Nanotechnology with a grant of 5 crore. Very recently, Bharat Ratna Dr. CNR Rao inaugurated the Center of Excellence. The focus of research in this center is to solve the critical national problems in renewable energy generation and distribution, defense, infrastructure, health and hygiene through nano and bioengineering. Now, awards received. Quest Global Bangalore, an aerospace-based company, is closely interacting with us and they make recruitments throughout the country, including IITs, NITs. They have classified the institutions they are visiting for recruitment into platinum, gold, and silver. SIT is one among the 10 institutions grouped under platinum along with IITs and NITs. The government of Karnataka has honored Siddhaganga Institute of Technology with State Environment Protection Award for the year 11-12 in recognition of excellent performance of SIT Tumkur in respect of environment protection. Along with the citation, the college has also received a cash award of Rs 1 lakh. SIT has also bagged E-India 2013 Green Campus of the Year award during 2013. SIT has bagged the Best Performing College Award in the 35th series of seminar and exhibition of student projects arranged by Karnataka State Council for Science and Technology, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. SIT has received the award of the Best Engineering College for Research Promotion and Placement Effort in South India for the year 2014, instituted jointly by Associated Chamber of Commerce and the Education Post. SIT is one among the 9 engineering colleges across the state selected by the Department of IT, BT and Science and Technology, Government of Karnataka for establishing New Age Incubation Center in ICT with a grant of 40 lakhs. The faculty members, Dr. K.V. Suresh, Dr. B. Satish Babu and Dr. K.C. Narsimurthy have bagged the Best PhD Thesis Award instituted by the Board for IT Education Standards, Karnataka. We have received this award 3rd time in a row. KPIT Technologies, a reputed IT company in Pune, organized Sparkle 2015, a national level project competition to provide platform for the engineering students to showcase their skills and talents. About 400 teams of 1,100 students drawn from various engineering colleges across the country participated in this competition. 2 teams from SIT participated in this competition. 20 teams qualified for the final round and both the teams of SIT qualified for the final competition held on 20th March 2015. Shri Jainendra Mishra, a student of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, has bagged the Platinum Award with 10 lakh cash prize for his project, Grid Circuit Design using Sandy Algorithm. This project was guided by Dr. Uma Shankar, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering of our institute. Technophilia Systems, in association with Robotics and Computer Applications Institute of USA, organized a national round of Indo-US Robo League 2015 at IIT Bombay on 28th and 29th March 2015 to showcase their skills and talents. The Indo-US Robo League has witnessed a participation of about 4,000 students drawn from 450 engineering colleges across India. I am happy to inform you that 8th semester students of Electronics and Communication Engineering branch of our institute have participated in the national round and have secured second position in line follower event. To identify and nurture the talents of engineering students, Quest Global, an aerospace-based company, organizes India's largest engineering design contest every year, Quest Ingenium. Over 10,000 engineering students across the country participate in this competition by sending the project they have carried out. Experts evaluate the projects submitted and select 10 projects, which are further evaluated by a team of jury and select the best 3 among them and award cash prizes with certificates. In Quest Ingenium 2012, our students won the second runner-up prize with a cash amount of Rs 25,000. In Quest Ingenium 2013 and 14, our students won the first runner-up prize with a cash award of Rs 50,000. Our students of Chemical Engineering have won the first runner-up award with a cash prize of Rs 1 lakh for their project at Manthan 2014 organized by FKCCI. Placements. Reputed industries including TCS, Wipro, Mindtree, Accenture, Arisent, Informatica, Akamai and BrahMos are visiting our institute for campus placements. About 80% of the eligible students are being placed through the campus placement. The institute has a 32,000 strong network of alumni spread over in 24 countries. This is a brief report of our institute. Thank you.